Hey everybody, it's Johnny from Focus Camera, and today I have with me Canon's PowerShot V1. This camera is made for those moments where you just want to pick up the camera and start vlogging or capturing photos. It's compact, there's no heavy setup, and it's packed with features that actually make sense for content creators. Let's check it out. The Canon PowerShot V1 fits in your pocket, it's light, and delivers solid quality across the board. Canon gave this thing a totally new grip that feels nice and tacky when you're holding it. It has a textured gummy feel to it and a thumb grip on the back that keeps your hand from slipping. It's great for holding like a traditional camera or flipping it around for selfie shooting. It has a built-in hot shoe, on and off button, record button, zoom in, zoom out toggle to quickly change focal lengths, the still movie switch. It's super convenient, just flick it on and you're ready to go. And of course, the mode dial. A nice built-in microphone and two strap handles. As far as ports, you have a micro HDMI output and a USB-C port, as well as a 1/8 headphone output and 1/8 microphone input. On the bottom, you also have a single slot SD card and a LPE17 battery compartment with a lock switch. Oh, and there's a built-in cooling fan, so you don't have to worry about overheating while filming longer videos or streaming, including in 4K. Lastly, a 3-inch articulating touchscreen LCD. The Canon PowerShot V1 is built for vlogging on the go. You're getting an ultra wide angle zoom lens about 17 to 52 millimeters when shooting video, which is super handy for handheld vlogging or getting wider shots without stepping back. We took it to Chelsea Market in New York City to give you a real world scenario and show off its features. Starting at 52 millimeters and zooming out to 17 millimeters, at arm's reach you can get an idea of the focal range you're working with video. For stills, it's 16 to 50 millimeters at f2.8 to f4.5. On top of that, there's a new 1.4 type sensor with 22.3 megapixels, so your photos have detail, sharpness, and beautiful color right out of the camera. I always enjoy Canon's color rendering. In camera, it's always beautiful and vibrant, and this one is right on par. Here's where it gets really fun, video. You've got 4K that's oversampled from 5.7K, which basically means your footage looks super crisp and detailed. Just make sure to get a memory card that corresponds to the footage you're capturing and is capable. Shout out to Very Fresh Noodles for keeping it delicious. I got some hand-pulled noodles and it was very tasty. Highly recommend it if you visit the Chelsea Market in New York City. The V1 can shoot 4K 60 frames per second. Slow that down in post-production and chef's kiss, pun intended. If you're into color grading, you're going to love that Canon included 10-bit C-Log 3. It's usually a higher end feature, but it's here and gives you way more flexibility in post. The split screen shows the unedited C-Log footage on the left and color graded footage on the right. The autofocus uses Canon's dual pixel CMOS autofocus 2 system that is super responsive. Hear it locked onto my face as I move through traffic. The image stabilization is impressive. It combined optical image stabilization with digital image stabilization. And there is this cool subject tracking IS mode that keeps your framing nice and stable even when walking and bouncing around. Canon added a few creator focus touches too, like the smooth skin movie mode shown on the left side of the split screen. Ain't that pretty? Another movie mode is movie for close-up demos. This mode is great for product demos, food vlogging, etc., and allows you to present and focus on an object or subject without having to block out your face. When you're done presenting, the camera will then focus back on your face and so on. We demonstrated this on some shrimp flavored Doritos. They didn't get the pass. Let's see what Zorian thought. It's weird. PowerShot V1 is dropping with a price tag of $899. You can pick it up on focuscamera.com, and honestly, that's pretty impressive considering all of the features that this camera has packed into it, especially if you're a content creator, a vlogger, or a streamer looking for an all-in-one setup without going full mirrorless. Let me know which feature you like the best about this camera and if it's something you'd add to your kit. Please like, subscribe, and follow, and I'll see you in the next one.